So welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I'm sporting my first Christmas, it's like Christmas sweatshirt. It's one of my favorites. I have a few of them. So today is going to be a Christmas kind of mini haul, and then a decorate with me. I do already have my tree up and a few other things up, but this whole vicinity back here is not yet decorated, so I bought a few new things for this because this is my first year on YouTube and it being Christmas, so I didn't have anything for my vanity area. So if you're excited, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and subscribe down below to become part of the hashtag FamJam, because you don't want to miss out. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I went to Michael's the other night, and if you have not been in Michael's, you need to go as soon as possible because they have some of the cutest stuff in there. And what I really do like about Michael's is they have a lot of stuff on sale as a plus, but their garland selection is amazing. I got this garland. I hope you can see it. The little deers are like felt. Here's a close-up of kind of what it looks like. So it has 8 deers. It has 8 deers in the garland, and then you have the Rudolph here in the front leading the pack. So I got this garland to put underneath my window, which I will show you guys in a little bit whenever we decorate. And then I also got this garland to hang up behind me, kind of like I did with the leaves for fall, which is like Santa's like underwear and his coat and his pants and his hat, and it's like a clothesline, and I thought it was just so adorable and I'm in love with this. So I thought that was so cute. And then I got one more garland. I got this garland, which kind of looks like torn up pieces of like cloth, and it's got some burlap in there. So here's a close-up of what that looks like. So I'm gonna end up putting this garland around the edge of my vanity like I did with the leaves as well. So that's that. And then I got this little snowman belly looking basket to put all my setting sprays in, because over the fall I had like a fall looking basket that I had back there. So I got this at Michael's as well. And then I got this cute little guy from Hobby Lobby, and he lights up, which I'm obsessed with. So I am super excited about him. I had, if you guys remember, I had a little metal pumpkin that lit up for fall, and I was really excited when I saw this little guy come out for Christmas. So I just knew I had to pick him up. So those are the few things I have recently picked up. I'm sure I will be picking up a few more things, but granted, guys, like, I'm a crazy Christmas lady. I will not. I'm not afraid to admit that. I've been collecting Christmas things ever since I was very young. So granted, yes, my whole entire hallway out there is decorated. My bedroom is decorated. My bathroom's decorated. Like, I'm serious about Christmas when it comes to Christmas. Like, I'm dead serious. I love it. I will decorate everything. And so this is not... Everything I have decorated already is not new things. Like, I've had this stuff for many years, and like each year I just kind of buy a few things to add to my collection. So yeah, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and get started into the decorating portion of this video. You ready?
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.